Good morning. It's Friday morning, 6 a.m. I am on my way to Rolex Reunion at Laguna Seca. I've been on the road for a little more than an hour and heading up to see a bunch of friends. I have my old Alfa race wheels in here. I'm going to meet the buyer of my Alfa. He wants those wheels. So I'm excited. Going to see a lot of people, see a lot of cars, and probably head back to LA tonight. We'll see how I'm feeling, but I'll take you guys along for the ride. It's going to be fun. It's about a 5-hour drive from our house in LA to Laguna Seca, so not the best, not the worst. Being in a Tesla makes it 10,000 times better. I don't think there's a better practical car out there. I had years ago, I had a 2018 Model 3. It was just the best car ever for getting around. This is my fiance's Model Y. We love it. I mean, it's free to drive, drives itself, it's comfortable, quiet, just anything you could want as far as a practical car. It's sort of the antithesis to my cars, which is great because she has this, so I can have race cars and classic cars and stuff like that. So it works out well. But this is the one for road trips. Rolling into Laguna Seca once again. Not racing this time, just watching. My buddy Kyle's about to go out in this Can-Am, hopefully beat Zak Brown. Coming up, but nobody gets too bad out of shape. Couple cars running wide. I know this was just a bunch of random clips, but I had a really busy day. Got up there in the morning, had a bunch of people to see. I saw my friends at Stand 21, saw Roman Tucker, who helped me with my Alfa, Anthony and Santos. They had quite a crew. Jenson Button and Jimmie Johnson were driving some of their Alfas, and I really enjoyed watching the B Sedan race. There was like over 40 cars in it. Also enjoyed watching the Endurance Legends, which is what my Porsche will be in if I decide to run in Rolex next year. And just saw a bunch of people. Had a really great time, but ended up coming back Friday night because one day is enough when you're not racing. Saw everything I needed to see, and had enough energy to drive back to LA, and got back at about midnight. So anyway, hope you enjoyed just the random collection of clips I got, and hopefully you guys can make it next year if you didn't make it this year. It's just as cool as it gets for historic racing.